Good morning, welcome to Vlogmas day 9. Oh my god, it's so cold. So every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, I get up early to open. So cold. It's gonna be my bed. But yeah, so this whole week, as you guys know, it's going to be short. Like the vlogs are going to be short because like I work, like it's kind of hard to. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, so I'm back from work. It's currently 5:30, but I got here a little bit earlier. But right now I'm just eating some pupusas. Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to Vlogmas day 10. Hey guys, so right now I just got home. But I'm gonna clean. I'm gonna put all of my clothes away where it belongs. My makeup vanity, it needs to go away. Not go away, but it just needs to be fixed and organized. And then this here too needs to be organized. So yeah. Like I just have my emergency evacuation stuff here ready just in case. I always leave it here. Everything's off the floor except those 2 bags that I need to pack for January, but I'm gonna leave that there. I need to organize that setting drawer over there, and I need to organize that there.
We can build a treehouse in the pine trees. We can keep our secrets